one remembers the time when her dance formation team then went to Blackpool for the British Championships and used a stagey routine. She geared it right up years ahead of her time, and they altered their costumes during the performance, again to make it very glamorous, stripped the skirts off.
How Sybil showed a leg and caused a sensation. But they weren't really all that revealing. I remember on the bottom, there was a frill on the bottom of the costume underneath, and they didn't really reveal. When you look at the costumes today, they revealed nothing at all.
I really don't know how many layers are here, but it's all sort of orange and pink. And then the sequins on the top. These were made up on long line bras in those days. I don't know how they make them these days, but they were made up on a bra.